Welcome everyone to this new video. Today we will talk about my iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Desert Titanium one. I've had this phone for almost 2 months now, and in this video I will tell you more about the phone. I will tell you what I do like about the phone and what I don't like about the phone. So yeah, let's go. Also, I want to tell you that I come from this phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple. I've had this one for 2 years and it's still in a really good condition. This one is still on the iOS 17, and yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I come from this phone to the 16 Pro Max. So yeah, as you can see, if you compare the size of the phones, the 16 Pro Max is a little bit bigger than the 14 Pro Max, but the design of the phone is still the same. As you can see, there is no difference. The screen size is bigger only, the bezels are thinner, but there is no big difference. As you can see, only difference is the action button that you got on the 16 Pro Max. Here there is no action button. Type C on this one, and the camera button. That's the only difference in both. The camera button is a really good one. I do really like it. You have a few settings you can change. If you double tap on the camera button, you can choose between the tone, the styles, the cameras. You can zoom with it, depth and exposure. I do really like this button. A lot of people didn't like it, or they say that's nothing new, nothing special, but I do really like it. If you're someone that takes a lot of pictures and videos, you will really like it. Yeah, but for the rest, there is no big difference between the phones. As you can see, in the design is still the same. Also, the battery life on this phone is really crazy. I really do like the battery on this phone. It goes a lot. You can do a lot with the battery. You can easily do a day without charging. The first 2 weeks it was really bad. I had more time on this one with the battery than this one. But after the 2 weeks and after the update that I did to the 18.1, the battery got really good, and yeah, I really do like the battery on this phone. On this phone it's still good, it's not bad, but on the 16 Pro Max you'll feel the difference, because on this one the battery is really bigger and you can do a lot more, and you got a lot more time with this one. That's something I really do like about this one. I will do soon a video for the camera test. I will tell you what the differences are between these two. But I do like the camera on this one. This one is still really good, of course, but there is a few little changes that I really do like on this new camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But I will soon do a video and take you outside with me with this phone and make some pictures and videos to show you what's new on this camera. The only thing that I don't like about this phone is the fact that we still don't have the AI version of Apple. They talked a lot about it, but as you can see, if I click, we only got Siri. I was really waiting for the AI features on this phone, because I really did like it when watching the reveal of this phone. But in Europe it's still not available. I don't know when it will be available. It will be, I think, in the beginning of 2025. I hope it comes to the 16 Pro Max as fast as possible, because yeah, we bought this phone thinking that we will be able to use these features, but as you can see, we only got Siri, and in Europe we can still not use it. So yeah, I hope they bring the AI as fast as possible to Europe, so we can also use it and see how it affects the phone and what we can do with it, because at this moment we have no AI features in Europe for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I will also tell you, if you come from a 14 Pro Max, if you really don't care about the AI features and all that stuff, I don't think you should upgrade to this one, because to be honest, there is no big difference between this one and this one. If you really like the AI that will soon come and be available, then maybe you can upgrade. But if you don't care about AI and you are someone that just uses the phone for social media and all that stuff, this one is still great. So yeah, I wanted to tell you that. Okay, so I think this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. If you want to know something else about the phone, you can tell me in the comments and I will see to make a video about it. And yeah, I hope you liked the video, and see you soon on the next video for the camera test.